with Spencer Properties, and today in our office we have Ashley and Lauren, and they have just acquired a new business here in the neighborhood. It's at Falls River Shopping Center, and it's KNACK DIY Craft Center. So tell me a little bit, Craft Studio, right?
Yes.
KNACK DIY Craft Studio. So
Absolutely. Got it.
tell me a little bit about what what you do there and what the business is all about.
So it's a DIY craft studio. You can come in,
We have wood signs, we have a succulent garden, we have lots of crafts for kids, we have lots of crafts for adults, we have all different abilities, levels, and all different price ranges. It's very affordable all across the board. We have lots of new ideas that we hope to come out with in the next few months. We plan to be open more for the holidays so that we can give everybody time to make their Christmas gifts and things for themselves.
we're creating some special events. We're going to do some ladies' nights. We're also thinking about doing some truck out camps for kids.
Oh, that's great.
Mm-hmm.
So what kinds of crafts, give us an example of some of the projects that we could do there.
We have door signs, things that you can hang on your front door. Those are some of the wooden things. We've got wooden signs that you can put up on your walls.
Right.
We have a little succulent garden. We have like little light up shapes for kids that they can paint, rainbows, mermaids.
Slime is a big
thing.
hit.
We have a slime bar, which,
that's cool.
which is a no fail every single time.
Yeah.
It never, it always works.
Yes.
So,
That's cool. So we can drop in any time.
Anytime.
And how much time do we need to kind of plan if we drop in to work on a project?
It depends. There are crafts that are, very quick, 10, 20 minutes. And then you could be there for 2+ hours.
Well, what a fun way to get together with some of your girlfriends,
Oh,
or a great thing to do with the kids during the while they're out of school in the winter. So
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, so there's many options for everyone.
I love that.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for coming in and telling us a little bit about your new business. We wish you much success.
Thank you.
And
thank you.
y'all, we got to support them.
Yeah.
They live here in the community,
Yeah.
and this is our community business. So come out and check them out.
Yes.
You can find us on Instagram, you can find us on Facebook, and you can look at our website, which is www.knackdiy.com. And our hours will be listed on our website, and come in and check us out.